All right, what is up everyone? And on this video, I will show you guys how to view and use the margin calculator on E-Trade from Morgan Stanley. This video helps you guys out. Leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but do not subscribe to me. So if you guys want to use or view the margin calculator, what we're going to do is first from the home page, we are going to go to our portfolios tab. After we go to our portfolios tab, what we want to do is we want to go to margin. So now we're under portfolios/margin. And here we can go to the margin calculator. And from here, we can do what strategy we're going to do. Let's just keep this very basic. And for this, I will just have calls as my strategy. And then for example, all I want to do is, let's say I want to do one call on SPY and my strike price will be 600, for example. But this will be depending on whatever you are doing in regards to your trade. You can also set the expiration window. All you want to do is you want to calculate the impact. And then here you will see your margin equity, margin maintenance requirement, margin maintenance excess, SMA, and marginable securities, everything like that. But yeah, that is how to view and use the margin calculator on E-Trade from Morgan Stanley. Hope the video helped you guys out. It's kind of basic to use as long as you know what you're doing. Have a good day.